Got a pack of 1989 Pro Set NFL cards, the official NFL card of the NFL. Used to have like these kind of plastic wrappers. Super Bowl, Gerald McNeil, Johnny Hector, Don Griffin. Some of these guys, Clarence K, I haven't heard of before. Mark Lee, Mike Henn, Lee Williams, Cornelius Bennett, he was a great player. Jim Don't Call Me Chris Everett, Warren Moon, one of my favorite quarterbacks back in the time there. Eddie Murray, LT Lawrence Taylor, one of the best linebackers ever. Pretty cool, LT. Sean Jones, and it score points towards NFL merchandise. I'm guessing this is long past expired. So anyway, pretty cool to get the LT in there. Lawrence Taylor, got a Warren Moon, Jim Everett. So you got some players in there. Cornelius Bennett. And that was 1989, and that was the NFL pack of Pro Set. Thanks. If you could share and like the video, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.